very nice to see a lot of y'all who have joined in here on time. Okay. Uh, we're going to be doing a session on need analysis. Priya is going to be taking us through the session. Okay. If time permits, at the end, we will also be doing our standard of living diagram. Please pay attention. Keep a notebook and a pen ready to take down notes or take down whatever you need to do. Ask questions, be participative. And Priya, please start so that we can complete on time again. Thank you, Priya.
Okay, thank you so much, friends, thank you for so much of love that you give to all of us. I'm feeling very, very responsible, especially when I see some of, when I see advisors, established class advisors, they coming and attending this webinar. And, all of you are already a master. And, however, some of us sometimes we just need a refresher. What I feel is that in life insurance business, it's very important to keep reiterating, because what happens is I don't know what clicks me that particular day, and what is my takeaway for that day, and for the next 2-3 days, I'm repeating that in my sales calls, and sometimes that makes it effective. Today, in this webinar today, we are not doing a very detailed sort of a fact finder or a need analysis. We will do a series of this, so I will request Reshma that, every month we will do some sort of a series for this. Today, what I'm going to take you through is, importance of fact finder. Some of it, is already there in the playbook, some of the FHI. So it might be you might be listening it again if you've already gone through the playbook. However, I'm going to play it again with you. Some of the easy tools, digital tools that you can use, for fact finder. And, next month, we are going to cover in detail. We're going to cover the softer aspect of, of the fact finder that you need to keep in mind while conducting the need analysis. So stay tuned with us, for the next fact finder also. Given before I start, there is a small story that, someone from my team only, someone, from the HO team, he shared with me. He asked me that, Priya, why it says that, you should never leave needle without the thread? And I said, yeah, well, because, needle without the thread should not be. Okay, why don't I ask all of you why it is always said? You can type it into the chat. Why it is always said. So it's going to be interesting, to hear answers from all of you. Why it is always said that a needle, just sui dhaga hota hai, needle should not be left without the thread. So what is your? So someone said it's easy to find. Needle will be lost. Okay. Otherwise the needle will be lost. Okay. Wow. Very good. What else? Please type in your answers, It's difficult to find the needle otherwise. Okay. It can prick. Okay. It can prick. Nazar, we will not be able to see it. It can prick. It is like the thread for the kite. Wow, beautiful. One might get hurt. Okay, easily traceable. It complements the needle. Wow, eyes will sharpen. Ready to use. It goes together always. Wow, it goes together always. To get hold of the needle and thread are complementary. I love it. Okay, we miss it. Otherwise, needle and thread goes together. Fantastic, guys. I think is a risk. Wow, someone has written that it's a risk if we don't have the needle and the thread together. It is risky. So cause when you get older, it's difficult to threadle. Okay, both has different purpose. We are bringing together to meet a purpose. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for your thoughts. Everyone, it's a little difficult to repeat exercise to thread in again and again. If your immunity is ready, you can accomplish a job faster. Wow. Needle doesn't solve purpose without a thread. Fantastic. Thank you so much, friends, for all those answers. And as very rightly you said, that a needle without, they go hand in hand. It's, it's easily ready for use. They're complementary to each other. So friends, in our parlance, it was very interesting when we were having a discussion about this yesterday. And, as if the universe kind of sent in the story at the right time to share it with all of you. And, the person said that the needle and thread is as important as, a connection between the two people. So if there is no connection, right, then, it'll, like Salzina said, that it's going to be incomplete without the thread. If there is no connection, that is there between the needle and thread, what will we do of needle and what will we do of thread? Only when they come together is what we can, create something out of it. That connection is very important. So when you meet your clients, that connection with them is very, very important. To get that connection, you need to get few things together. And what you need to get together is you are carrying a solution. I'm getting goosebumps, as I'm telling you this story. You are carrying a solution and the customer has a need. By asking the right set of questions, which is like putting the thread into the needle, you are actually bringing you are actually connecting the both. And therefore, the thread meets the needle, and so does the need meets the solution. Without the need, the solution is empty. And without the solution, the need is empty. Do you all agree with me? Chat, type yes or no in the chat, because, then I know that, I'm on the right track, and, you people are connecting with me. So that connection is important, right? And, to have that connection, to establish that need, it is very important that we are able to emotionally connect with people. We are listening to them. We are reiterating what we have listened. We are clarifying that, have you heard it right? Like how I am asking you that, is this, are you resonating it well? So when I am asking you, I'm trying to clarify, and then, and then reiterate it again, that have I understood the right thing? So, these three things are very, very crucial to draw connection with the customer and get in need and solution together. As an advisor, I am an intermediary to get both the things together and let the need meets the solution. So today, what we are going to do, what we're going to talk about is an importance of fact finder, importance of, the fact finder in our life. And I'm going to play a video in front of all of you before we move ahead. This video is also available on, it is also available on Playbook, in the Playbook, OMD Playbook, on MBuddy. So, those of you have seen it, maybe it's slightly a repeat, but, I like to repeat things because for me, repetition is skilling. There's a book that I read on sales which said repetition is skilling, because, every time we are hearing it in a different parlance, we are drawing a different meaning to it. So I will start with that video then. Just give me a second. So, friends, just to tell you, Mr. Narendra Pal Singh, he is our, top advisor. One second, just he's our top advisor. And, just let me first introduce him. He is our top advisor from West 2, which is Pune office. And Narendra Pal Singh Bakshi ji is, is of course a veteran with us. And imagine, he has done a sum assured of 414 crores plus since the date of joining. And he is also, in the business for around about 18 years now. When I look at these kind of advisors, I feel they are an organization in themselves and very, very passionate about the fact that, why it is important to kind of, calculate the right sum assured for the customer, and to calculate the right sum assured for the customer, how fact finder is something which is very, very imperative. So I'm going to play the video now.
Hello friends, this is Narendra Pal Singh from Pune, Geo 1. I trust you are taking good precautions in this turbulent time. The best tool Max Life has given me and made me move in this industry for last 14 years is Fact Finders. None of my call go without using this tool, and it has given me a beautiful base of clients. If we sit with client on using this tool, we are able to analyze the need and suggest them an appropriate sum assured. Out of my base of customers, I would like to share a few examples with you. One of my client who had reluctantly applied for 2 crore rupees of cover, which eventually got rejected for whatever may be the reasons. But when I sat with him and took him through this process of fact finding, he understood his human life value. And today he is sitting on sum assured of 27 crore for himself and for his family. That's power of fact finder. Another example out of my base of clients is a naval ship captain. At age 28, it was very difficult for me to make him understand the human life value, the financial planning. But when he sat through and I took him through his journey of need, he agreed and signed up for a beautiful sum assured. Who knew the next journey would be his last journey of life? He was on an oil vessel, northeast of Spain. He was hit by a cold wave and he could not bear that cold wave and he succumbed to that attack. As he had promised his wife he would be back after 4 months to carry on baby shower, he came back to India on the same day which was promised, but wrapped up in a coffin. Friends, the documents which he had signed after understanding his human life value is helping his 8-year-old son today to study in the best of the schools, and his wife and family living a self-respected life. My submission to everybody is, please use this tool to the core and suggest to your clients appropriate sum assured, because it is easy. Hope this small sharing has made some value addition into your life. Thank you very much.
So friends, Yes, as Mr. Narendra Pal Singh said, and many of you might have many more experiences of the fact that why fact finder is very crucial. Why need analysis is very crucial in our business. And you will also feel, sometimes you will also feel. I don't know if you've experienced that. I have experienced that. I go to a doctor, and wherein the doctor says, oh, I'm coughing, and the doctor says that, okay, since how long you're coughing, and since how long you have pain in the throat, or you're coughing, and I say that since yesterday or whatever, and and he quickly writes the prescription and hands it over to me, and I take the medicine. Somewhere I keep on thinking that did he get to the right root cause? Did he did I'm not satisfied, even when we respect doctors so much. When a doctor has not really gone to the root, I don't feel comfortable about it. Share on the chat if you also feel this kind of an experience. Vis-a-vis a doctor, when I go to a doctor, and he is, he's like conversing with me, he's asking me, okay, since when, what was your first symptom, what happened, did you also have cold? Okay, lie down, and he checks the chest, he asks me to take breaths, and checks my temperature, all of, when he's doing the entire thing. Sometimes just by meeting the doctor, you start feeling fine, because I mean, I can give you many examples like that. So one of my doctor, I mean, though he's a neuro, and one of my doctor, while I just speak with him, and I don't even take medicines, of what medicines he's prescribed, because they make me feel sleepy otherwise. And sometimes just having a conversation with him heals me. So are we having that healing effect with people? And sometimes, when we ask them their needs, people love to talk about themselves. Always remember that it's a human psychology that people love to talk about themselves. So whenever you face an objection of, you straight tell me the product, is where the person himself, his energy is kind of disturbed. And I'm assuming that you've already done a rapport building, and you've tried to establish the connect with the customer. But for that moment, it is very important that you calm down and you tell, and you maybe give an example to the customer that, sir, I will be very happy to talk to you about a product. I will be very happy to give you the product, and you will buy also. I have no doubts about it. But what if, in my sequence of products, or my, in the tools that I'm carrying, what if I was to, just see what is it that you require, and just by the requirement, I might just have to tweak my product a little, or I might choose one product over, and it will just help me to kind of, kind of give you the right solution. And you should always keep nudging. And it's a reminder. I'm sure you guys are already doing that, but I just want to give you a reminder on it, that do not give in. Do not give in. Like how Narendra Pal Singh is saying, do not give in to the, it's as an advisor, you want to give in to the fact that, okay, let me tell the product first. If he doesn't want to care about his needs, why should I? But as an advisor, when you do that, it is both win-win for the customer and for the, for the agent, because, if he is buying the right sum assured, he is buying the right solution, he's going to stay with you as a customer, he will respect you more. And, wherever there is respect, there is, there is going to, the person is going to wanting to, will want to deal with you more and more. And the more the person will want to deal with you, the more cross-sell you can do. And the more cross-sell and, more references you can generate, the business grows, faster. Navroz, is everything going fine? I'm not able to see the chat also somehow.
Yes, Priya, everything is fine. Please continue.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Navroz. Okay, so dear friends, let me share my few slides. Okay, so this is the example that I shared, wherein chemist versus a doctor, which I just shared. We were talking about need is not equal to want. To identify appropriate need, one must ask relevant question to the customer and then relate to the appropriate financial solution, which we have been talking about. So the benefits to the customer are gets more opportunity to explore need areas, discover actual amount required for investments, enjoy financial satisfaction, higher trust. And wherever there is high trust, trust me, there is respect. Wherever there is respect, there is, whether it's, so I have worked in 2 years, I've worked in a hospital also. Even in the hospital, the chain went on the same way. Wherever there is trust, there is high amount of respect, and wherever there is high amount of respect, the care comes automatically. And all these three things goes absolutely hand in hand. And there, at the foundation is something which is which wherein the relationship flourishes. And if we want the relationship to flourish, this is one of the core areas. And what are the benefits for the seller? Gets more upselling, cross-selling, discover higher wallet share opportunity, enjoys more references and recommendations, long-term relationship. So friends, हमारा जो business है, especially agency, and I'm very very passionate about the agency business, and I feel that all other businesses are great, but nothing like an agent selling, nothing like an agent selling it to the customer, because it always remains in the long term. And especially when we are already an established class agent, I am speaking to the people who are the best of best in the industry, and who already know this fact. But it's just, again, once again, a reminder that you are doing a good job and continue doing this good job with your clients. Okay, so general selling. So we are just giving you a few examples which talks about I have an interesting product to offer to you versus which is of the utmost importance. What is something which is very very important to you right now? That is when you are prioritizing a goal with the customer. So earlier on when New York Life was there, New York Life used to screen is not clear, please correct it. Navroz, are you also experiencing the same?
Priya, what you can do is you can just remove the screen share and again share in a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this good?
Yes, Priya, looks good.
Okay, great. So, whenever the time when New York Life taught me the fact finder, there are times, friends, the customer is not prepared for meeting me as a person. There are times when the customer is not prepared in his space of doing a financial planning. Sometimes when we do a very, very detailed financial planning with them, it's great. But at the same time, sometimes there leaves a confusion. What do I plan for first? And that is the time, as an advisor, it is very important that you help the customer prioritize the need by asking, which is that one thing which is of utmost importance to you as of now, right? And there could be series of questions after that. How important it is, and there are some people, you will meet all sort of people. I know that there are people who say that I'm not going to plan for my child's education. My child is so bright that I know my child will go through scholarship. Now, of course, great. But then do you have a plan B? What if that 1% that the child doesn't go for scholarship? Do you feel that you will not fulfill your child's education dream in case there was that the child doesn't qualify for the scholarship? So, it is about having a conversation with the individual, given his mind frame, given what he thinks it to be right, and asking the client. And sometimes, the client, the fact finder, how it goes is you are asking the need. The customer could be aware as an individual or not aware. If the customer is not aware, like for example, how much money it would require for your child's education. Now the customer, let's say 4 lakhs. We can obviously, we can obviously think about the fact that he's not aware about the current cost. So there, we need to plug in and we need to tell the person, that, what is the right amount, what is the correct amount, which right now is there for the child's education. Expected cost at the time of admission, and then you need to do an inflation on it. Do you want to take any investment risk with this goal? Again, it's very important to understand the mindset of the customer and also understand how much and where all he has invested. And then, would you like to insure this amount even if you're not around? So, this is something which is more like a need-based examples. And what we are right now, we are right now at what sometimes we go about it. I have an interesting product. This will also help you to save tax. This is guaranteed life insurance product. So it's a more product-based conversation. Shift your mind from a product-based conversation to the need-based conversation. And whenever we are doing a need-based conversation, product, it'll not be SWP's lump sum variant, it'll be SAP. So product is something which you will decide, right? Which you will have to propose it to the customer to fit into his needs. But it's very, very important to first understand, the mind frame of the customer, his specific need, and where currently his investments are standing. And sometimes, we'll talk about it in our next session, sometimes also understand the psychology of the customer. So these are the few elements which are very, very important in understanding understanding the needs of the customer. And, now I'm going to play another small video for all of you, wherein, how Mr. Vipin Vora, and, sorry, but then 1 second, let me, I'm highly impressed by Mr. Vipin Chandra Vora. He is from West 1, Mumbai. And since joining, he has done a sum assured of 458 crores. Friends, Mr. Vipin thinks very differently. And I am just sharing one of his best practice, one more best practice with all of you, other than the video that I'm going to show it to you. Mr. Vipin, he's like constantly, he says that I remain constantly in touch with my clients. And, he creates interesting videos, he creates interesting messages, and, he floats it to his client. He feels that dedication towards the client is the ultimate way to grow in his business. And that's what his belief is. And let me, now let me share with you his, what he has to say.
Hello friends, I am Vipin Vora. I am in this insurance industry since last 11 years and I am serving the clients from 2009. आज मैं आपके सामने मेरी सक्सेस स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. मेरा मैक्स लाइफ की ट्रेनिंग एंड सेल्स प्रोसेस पे 200% बिलीफ है. मैक्स लाइफ में हमको जो सिखाया गया है कि
सॉरी, आई थिंक बिकॉज इट्स अ इंग्लिश वेबिनार. I didn't realize the video is in Hindi. So, you know,
Priya,
hmm.
Priya, if we
Yeah.
have 2 or 3 minutes, I think if we have 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm sure that this video will not be more than 3 or 5 minutes, it's okay even if you play a Hindi video, Priya, because 99% of the agent advisors here will understand it. Some
Okay.
who might not understand will understand the gist of it, and there is always
Sure.
learning in it, Priya.
Sure.
Please.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Navroz, for that guidance. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Bipin Vora. I am in this insurance industry since last 11 years and I am serving the clients from 2009. आज मैं आपके सामने मेरी सक्सेस स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। मेरा मैक्स लाइफ की ट्रेनिंग एंड सेल्स प्रोसेस पे 200% बिलीफ है। मैक्स लाइफ में हमको जो सिखाया गया है कि फैक्ट फाइंडिंग पे ज़्यादा जोर देना चाहिए, तो मैं ऑलवेज क्लाइंट का जब भी फर्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट होता है, जब फर्स्ट विजिट होता है, तो मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइम मैं फैक्ट फाइंडिंग में देता हूँ और ऑलवेज ट्राई करता हूँ कि क्लाइंट अपनी सारी की सारी डिटेल्स फैक्टली मुझे बताए और मैं क्लाइंट का एक्यूरेटली फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी का जो गैप है वो निकाल सकूँ। एक बार क्लाइंट का फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी गैप निकल के सामने आता है तो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि वहीं पे प्रोटेक्शन प्लान देके वो फाइनेंशियल गैप में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तरीके से फुलफिल कर पाऊँ। क्लाइंट एक बार जैसे ही प्रोटेक्शन प्लान के लिए कमिटमेंट दे देता है, उसके बाद में मैं क्लाइंट को सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि उनके जो बाकी के फाइनेंशियल गोल्स है वो वही विजिट में मेरे कंप्लीट हो जाए, ताकि चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन प्लान हो या फिर रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग हो या तो क्लाइंट का रेगुलर इनकम का प्लानिंग हो। उसके बाद में मैक्स लाइफ ने हमें सिखाया है कि क्लाइंट रिव्यू कितना जरूरी है। तो क्लाइंट रिव्यू मैं इस तरह फॉलो करता हूँ कि मेरे ईच एंड एवरी क्लाइंट को मैं साल में कम से कम 2 से 3 बार मिलने जाता हूँ और वो मीटिंग में मैं ऑलवेज ट्राई करता हूँ कि क्लाइंट के लाइफ में जो भी चेंजेस आए हैं, जो भी फाइनेंशियल चेंजेस आए हैं या तो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में चेंजेस आए हैं, उसे नोट करके क्लाइंट को सच्ची एडवाइस दे पाऊँ। ये सच्ची एडवाइस के वजह से क्लाइंट मुझे उनके काफ़ी अच्छे रेफरेंसेस देते हैं और वो रेफरेंसेस पे मैं यही सेल्स प्रोसेस फॉलो करके मेरा क्लाइंट बेस में बढ़ाता हूँ।
So friends, here, you know what Mr. Bipin is talking about is that, you know, it is very, very important that we first fulfill the protection gap for the client, with the simple reason that, you know, our core job and the core essence of life insurance business is, you know, there is no screen currently, Mr. Arya. So I hope, you know, it's okay. So, I lost my thought. Yeah. So we are into the business of life insurance, and our core responsibility is to first give protection to the client, because what if, you know, there is another story, you know, which an advisor shared with me. You know, she said that 5 years she kept on convincing a client to enhance his protection cover, and the client was not agreeing. And last year, he finally agreed that, you know, sometime around Diwali, he will fulfill, you know, his gap, and, you know, he'll buy more life insurance for his family. And guess what? That Diwali never came for that person. You know, he is a businessman, and I'm talking about a story that Juhi shared, and Juhi Kothari from Varanasi shared. And it was so unfortunate that he was a businessman, he was carrying some cash, and in the market, in the open market, in the daytime, this person was shot dead. And, you know, she was like, he only had a sum assured of 10 lakhs. And, you know, because it was a life partner, life gain plus, and, you know, because of that, you know, his amount actually, there was a double amount to it. So family only received 20 lakhs. So, you know, for us, you know, and, you know, no matter what I spoke with Mr. Bipin, He says, no, Priya, it is our duty first. You know, he kind of was convincing. I said, why would you not? And I was just trying to debate it out with him just for the purpose to get the right sense. And, you know, he was like, no, our duty is to first fulfill the protection gap. Simple, because we are a life insurance advisor. Simply because, you know, protection is must. And if we don't understand and if we don't influence the customer, then who will? You know, if he's around, he will make two ends meet. But if he's not around, then what? Right? So therefore, you know, that's something which is very, very crucial and very, very important. And now I'm going to, you know, share one another example with all of you. Just give me a second on that. Friends, this standard of living, you know, which I'm not too sure if our established class advisors have got training on this or have been using this. You know, and I'll make an attempt to kind of explain you all. It can really act as a you know, it acts like a conversation starter, right? So, you know, when you are talking to the customer and, you know, you want to initiate the fact finder, you know, in the initiation of the fact finder, you can really talk about that any standard of living has these 5 elements. So charity, you know, normally people who survive on charity are in the age group of, you know, when they're child, basically in the age group of 0 to 20 years, or, you know, sometimes 0 to 20, 23, 24 years, when they're really dependent on their parents, right? So that's the time people rely on charity. And, you know, I'll come back to charity also. Bare necessity, you know, wherein people are just meeting by, you know, they're able to just you know, meet or just below, you know, they're like really struggling to you know, struggling to make 2 ends meet. And mostly sometimes, you know, they also slip on that. The third standard of living that people have is getting by, you know, is I have enough in terms of meeting 2 ends meet for my daily needs. Where I say daily needs, it's, you know, roti, kapda, makan, you know, which is getting by is that I'm just there. I'm not giving that standard of living to the family wherein we are going out daily. We are, you know, not daily, weekly. And, you know, we are going for expensive holidays. And, you know, I have to really think and plan, you know, when I have to buy clothes for the kids. So that's a getting by kind of a situation, you know, and the person is always aspiring and you know, and that's really a getting by situation. Then the fourth standard of living comes in is comfort, you know, wherein the expenses are being done in a very, very comfortable manner, right? Now, the last piece which comes is luxury. You know, the word luxury, you know, the person is enjoying the luxury. So, dear customer, I want to ask you today that where do you feel that your family currently is? And, you know, where do you feel that, you know, currently you are enjoying? Is it the comfort? Is it the getting by? Is it the luxury? Right? Because the kind of customers we meet in, you know, they normally fall in the first 2 categories is what I believe. You know, and there, and of course, you know, our standard of living really impacts, the taxes impacts, the inflation impacts, the death can impact, the disability and the retirement. And when I said I'll come back to the charity, it means that, you know, in charity, in the charity section, if, you know, I have not planned my retirement, death, disability, I have not taken care of inflation, taxes, and so on, I can really get down as below to the charity. So, you know, the question to the customer is currently, where do you feel the standard of living is? And let's say, you know, ask him to mark, you know, if you're doing a physical meeting, and if you're not, then maybe, you know, you can actually circle it on Zoom if you're using Zoom. You can really circle this. Let me show it to you. So you can circle it like this. So let's say the person says, I'm in the comfort level of standard of living. So would you want to, sir, God forbids, if you were not around, where do you feel the family can slip by to? Or if you are not around, another positive way of asking is, if you are not around, would you want your family to enjoy the same standard of living? And the obvious answer to it, also an open-ended question, because you're asking an open-ended question, there is an importance of asking an open-ended question in the fact finder stage. And especially when you're opening up the fact finder, it's very, very crucial to ask open-ended question. Now, of course, here the person says yes, and I would want, no bread owner can say that I would not want my family to enjoy the same level of comfort. Sir, so if you would like to enjoy, ma'am, if you would like your family to enjoy the same level of comfort, I would like to plan for your family in such a manner where your, the same the standard of living is maintained. Because, insurance never makes anybody rich, but it helps people to get, it can prevent people to not get poor. So therefore, I would like to now ask you some questions which can help, which can help us to plan so that the family doesn't have to get, get compromise on the standard of living that they are living in currently, right? So this is a great conversation starter, dear friends. And, the person is able, the person when uses it, when the agents use this SOL, they're immediately able to, the client is immediately able to link to it. And I'm going to show you another video, which is there with us in, in Embuddy also. You can easily access it from there. I'm going to show you this video. Okay, so somebody has written, Navros, sometimes if I miss the chat, you can probably read out the question to me. So Amita is asking, can you please tell the difference between comfort and luxury levels again? Okay, so comfort is, wherein I'm comfortable spending, spending and doing expenses. So for example, let's say if I have to go for a movie every month, I have to buy clothes for my kids, I have to, let's say enroll my kid to coding class, maybe I'm comfortable. I don't have to think about the expenses, right? I don't have to think about the fact that, oh, now to add some of the, expenses, I have to plan a lot. So I'm comfortably spending. Luxury is that I close my eyes only wherever, I can spend anywhere I want. And then when, let's say I'm going for a travel, I'm going for a holiday. Now a comfortable person will, will actually book in a place, maybe a 5-star, but not like a 7-star property. Let me explain you like that. We'll book in a 4-star or a 5-star, a comfort, a person who is in comfort, because the person would like comfort, that, the place should be neat, clean. I should, my kids should enjoy the place. But a person who's in luxury, will want, everything to be luxurious, will want a 7-star property, will want, that in that property, for the kids, one must have a swimming pool also, one must have, of course 5-star also has it, but one should have, like, everything is very luxurious. There is a warm pool also, there is a cold pool also, there is, there's jacuzzi also. So the person would want that everything, I want to enjoy all the kind of luxuries. So in luxury, the luxury category is where people have BMWs, Mercedes, and so on. Comfort is where, again, I'm just giving you more and more example. Comfort is where the person is, you know, maybe, Navroz, give me a car example. Yeah, I mean, for the comfort.
So if I was to give you an example on the hotel example that you were talking about only. So let's say that if I wanted to have a comfortable holiday, I would check into a 4-star or a 5-star hotel. But when I go and check into a 4-star or a 5-star hotel, I'm usually most of the time looking at a hotel room where I would get all the benefits, and I would also be looking at a discount from the property that I am getting. However, when I'm talking about luxury, I'm checking into the same 5-star, but I'm taking the presidential suite or the, you know, or the king suite, which is the most top of the line facility available in that hotel. So it is just that, you know, the kind of, it would be a suite. It would not be a room. The difference between a room and a suite would be different. So at the end of the day, a luxury is when you are talking about the super HNI, the super wealthy, and the super rich that we are talking about over here, who have the ability to spend the without having to think about spending the money. They do not have to think whether I can afford it or not afford it. That's the important thing.
Great, thank you so much,
Yes, yes.
Navroz. And let me show them a very nice video. I'm not sure if many of our agents have already seen that. So this is a story of Sisyphus, and let's first hear the story. So friends, it's a great conversation starter, and we have to continuously strive, in a modern day, to protect our standard of living, and we keep pushing that, our standard of living gets better, don't we? Just a reflection, small reflection for all of us. And and one eventuality that we have not planned for can take our our can actually take away our complete, the complete hard work that we have done to get our family to another standard of living. It can actually fall down. But one small thing, which is a planning about life insurance, can actually help, the family not slip down on their standard of living. And therefore, I would like to now know your needs, and you can then start. Yes, you can get the video. You have to log into MBuddy to get the video, and I'm going to show you the exact place where where this video is before we log off from the call. Right? Okay. let's moving ahead. Just a small check-in. Is everything going fine? Are you liking the webinar? Is I'm able to get you value? Just a quick check-in right now in between.
Thank you, Sandhya ji. Thank you, Sanjay ji. Thank you, Payal ma'am. Thank you, Subha sir. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you, Sebastian. Seema ji, thank you. Thank you, Celso Doc. How are you? Thank you, Amrita. Thank you, Anil. Yes, Priya.
Great, great. Thank you so much, friends.
Please
Thank
continue.
you so much. Moving ahead from here, just making things, we are just trying to make things more simple as we are in the digital world. There are 4 needs, right? Basic 4 needs, that we must fulfill for our customer. As a, as a warrior, as a soldier, it is our responsibility to fulfill those 4 needs in any family, right? And of course, all the 4 needs. They are CPRS: child education, protection, retirement, and savings. Very, very, very important that we touch base on all the 4 needs. And, we must start with protection, friends. We must start with protection. We must protect the family, because the other things will happen only when they have a cover. They have a huge umbrella, over the rest other needs, right? And so therefore protection first, and then child education and retirement and savings according to what the customer prioritized for his family, right? So every family, you have a possibility of, in fulfilling 4 needs and 4 different products. So you must actually aim at, you should look at your books of business in a way where, have I only fulfilled protection? Because you established class, that's the reason I'm talking like this with all of you. In your books of business and Empower, okay, if I have just fulfilled the protection need, can I get back to the client and can I look at if he has a child education need or a retirement need or a savings need? If I have already fulfilled a protection and a child education need, can I look at that now? Can I go and plan for his retirement or a saving need? So you have to continuously, it's like a continuous process. And please, my request, and I'm sure Sudhakar ji, if he's still there on the call, I am 100% sure that Sudhakar ji will also say the same thing. Don't use your guesswork or don't use that, oh, that client of mine, I had only given protection. Oh, that client of mine, now I had only given child education. Look at your books of business. Go to Empower. See who all you have given protection to. See who all you have given child education to. What is the possibility in protection? Are you fulfilling the complete, so to say, his complete, have you given the right sum assured? In child education, have you given the right sum assured? All you have to do is, friends, without any pressure on your head, all you have to do is just touch base with the client and check, how is his financial situation? Is there a possibility that, there is another need that you can fulfill for the customer? All you have to do is have a conversation with the customer. Test the waters with the customer. Just because it is pandemic, do not assume that, oh, this person may not be, may not be doing well, or maybe, there is a challenge, or because, you don't know how the person's life has changed in pandemic. For me, when I talk to people, there are times I'm talking to people have started off fresh businesses, they're, and they are doing better. So don't assume anything, and it's always better to have a conversation. Connect your client to the other client. These are yet another important things that connect your clients to other clients, connect people to another people, because they get help. And when they get help, that sui dhaga, that needle and thread, you are connecting them more to yourself also. But be smart about it. So and now I'm going to show you a digital tool, which is again there on Embuddy. And this digital tool, dear friends, in the digital era, can help you, can really help you to without you having go through a pen and paper. Because I have done fact finders, many fact finders as an agent advisor. It is difficult to do it digitally. It is difficult to do it over a phone. However, is there a link that I can send it to the customer which can help me calculate his needs without me having, really, do a pen and paper and lose the record sometimes also? Is there a way I can keep the record with myself? The answer is yes. Can you please share a link for Human Life Value? I'll do that. I'll definitely do that. I will show you, where all this is kept in our Embuddy. Yesterday, last week also when we did the webinar, I had shown you. Those links are all available to you on Embuddy. You can easily copy them there and you can share it with the customer. These are shareable customer link. But before I go that, let's slowly, gradually have a look at the protection, the way it's calculating the need. You will not have to do those calculations. You can actually focus more on the softer aspects with the customer rather than getting into the calculation. Let the chatbot calculate and let you focus more on the conversation and the emotional aspect of the customer. Wouldn't this chatbot be really a friend to you? I believe that if I was an advisor, it would have been a friend to me. So let me start by sharing a small video with all of you first. This is called a DIY video in the current digital language. This is actually do-it-yourself videos. So what Millie, what this video will do is we've tried giving a voice to it, and this will tell you how to navigate through the calculator, right? You can send the link to your customer, and it's something very fair. It's a very easy way the customer can actually do it on the WhatsApp itself, on the phone itself is what I meant. So let's first see the video.
Let us begin by typing the URL in Google Chrome for Android users and Safari for Apple users. Millie chatbot URL is https://bot.maxlifeinsurance.com/need-analysis and press go. Welcome to Millie chatbot. You love your family and would like to give the best of everything to them. So why not provide yourself with the right protection cover? Right protection cover will ensure that your family is financially secured always. Millie chatbot, a digital tool, will help you calculate the right protection amount for you. Let us move ahead and see how it works. To know the amount the family would require in your absence, click on Future Financial Needs of Family and click to proceed. Before moving ahead, Millie would like to know some basic information about the customer. Let's say customer's name, customer's age, customer's mobile number. Millie would now like to ask 5 simple questions from the customer, like what is the total amount you need for buying a house, child's education, child's marriage, etc. So for the sake of an example, I am typing here rupees 1 crore. Now Millie would like to know how much have you saved or invested so far. So for the sake of an example, I am typing here rupees 3 lakhs. The next information that Millie wants to know is how much does a customer spends in a month. So let's say 85,000. Now if you have any outstanding loans, so Millie would want to know the loan amount. So let's say rupees 25 lakhs. Further, Millie wants to know the existing life cover. So let's say rupees 25 lakhs. Now Millie would want to know the current annual income. So for the sake of an example, I am typing here rupees 15 lakhs. Wow, Millie has calculated the right amount of sum assured or protection cover that will be required by the customer. So the life cover that the customer require is rupees 3 crores 26 lakhs and the life cover that the customer has till date is rupees 25 lakh. The gap that the customer has to fulfill is rupees 3 crores 1 lakh. Now type your email ID to get a copy of personalized financial summary. To send another copy of the same, type in the agent's email ID. Great. So what are you waiting for? Use this digital calculator to help your customers calculate their financial needs. Share this with all your customers at the need analysis stage and give your customers digitally engaging experience. Thank you.
So friends, do you feel that your life can get digitally more easy with this endeavor of ours? And guess what? You can actually get the report email to yourself and to the customer. And for the experience, you can, start the conversation with that calculation the next time in the next meeting, or, when you are doing a cross sell. This is a record. This is an automated record that as an advisor you can have in your email, and by the email you can just, their name, you can keep saving it in your laptop. So this is, it would have been very, very helpful because, I don't know how many of you do that. As an advisor, I used to keep those fact finder sheets filed in a file, so that I can reflect back to them later on. But, that's cumbersome when you have clientele, which is, yes, it is available in Embuddy, and, absolutely all you have to do is, log on to Embuddy, and it is there in the share and sell folder, and you can easily, Navroz, why don't you share the, Embuddy link once again with all of, all of our learners and, all of our agents on the chat, on the chat. You will not be able to paste it, so you'll have to type it. Our laptop bars us to paste it. So, ma'am, in this chatbot, once we enter customer email ID, then after it is not accepting our agent email ID. Not possible. I've done this chatbot many a times. Why don't you try refresh it? एक circle बना हुआ होता है ऊपर. Just try and refresh it. And it will accept your agent email ID as well, right? So okay, and moving forward, I'm going to show you another example, wherein another example. So let's do one thing, let's do a small activity. Navroz, are we in for an activity?
Yes, Priya, please go ahead.
Navroz, can you also paste the chatbot link in the
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm just doing that only. Just give me a second.
Yeah, not just the Embuddy link, but also the chatbot link, because what we will do is we'll do a
Yeah.
small size. Have we done that, Navroz?
I'll just put it up again. Just give me a second, please.
Sure.
Yep.
We are there. There is no voice because we are just paused so that Navroz can write, the chatbot link. And I want all of you to open the chatbot link in your,
Priya, just check
yeah, it's there. It's there.
Chrome.
Learners, all of you are requested to, all of you are requested to actually click on this link. And there is a case study which is given here, right? हमने बहुत टाइम से case studies नहीं करी हैं. There's a small case study. Sorry. Can you see my screen? 1 second. Yeah. So there is a small case study which is given here. I want all of you to use the chatbot, put in the information which is put in here. And share those screenshots with your LPCs. And if you can post them on the chat, or maybe, share it on your screen. Let us share it on the screen if possible. This is the case study. This is the information that you need to fill in the chatbot, just for you to get familiar with the chatbot. We are doing this activity.
Priya, I have shared the link if people can take it.
Yeah, Navroz, can you see my link? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It is mentioned on the screen also.
Yeah. So I know it's mentioned on the screen also. It's just that from the chat, it becomes easier for people to copy.
Yes.
So Navroz, can you please keep looking at the chat? Because when I look at the chat, the screen gets loose. Screen is not readable. So you'll have to check your connection. Please type in yes if you have opened the URL. I want you to open the URL, type in this information, get familiar with the tool. Please confirm back to me that yes, you are on it. Navroz, so are the people writing in yeses? Okay, perfect.
Yes, people have started writing in yeses. I'm continuously uploading the chat, the link also if they've made a mistake. So we've got quite a few people who have said yes till now. Priya, just around 30 seconds to a minute more so that everybody gets this.
Right. Navroz, it takes a
Because
little,
I think,
we can give it, the complete 1 minute to people.
yes, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, Anjani is asking, how should I share the analysis here? Anjani, what you can do is you can either share it on the screen or I mean, because I'll have to stop sharing for that, or just take the screenshot and share with your LPCs. That's about it. And maybe you can just share, how did you like the tool? Do you feel that the tool will help you? Do you feel that, at what stage, how do you plan to use this tool? You can type in that in the chat. Alokji, I've not understood, DICE Embody tool has any timing, PRD like 9 to 7 p.m., etc. No, it doesn't have any time. You can use the tool anytime. Sometimes, the tool gets stuck.
Yes.
So what you have to do is, you have to log out and log in again.
Or just refresh the page, Priya. Even if you just refresh the page, it
refresh
comes
the
up.
page. Absolutely. Just got confused by viewing myself. We just, took the name. We did not know that it's your son's name, sir or ma'am. I just know that your code is there. So friends, write in the chat that when you will use it with the customer. When I say when will you use it, the obvious answer to that is at a need analysis stage. But can you creatively think that, what are other places that we can use this chatbot link with the prospect, with the customer? Selzina, thank you so much. We can use it now too for an immediate appointment. Wow. Selzina, can you further type in for us
Yes.
that, how will you, what will you write along with this, along when you are sending this chatbot link to your customer? What is it that you will write in? Wow, Siba says annual review. That's very, very interesting, Siba. Yes, at annual review, annual client review. Another person, Jaya Shankar said that at annual client review. What I really want to know is if anybody of you can type in that along with the chatbot link, like how Salzana said, for an immediate appointment, what is it that along with this chatbot link, what is the message that you would like to write in? Chetan, if it's coming minus 15 lakhs, you need to see if the zeros that you put in was right. Rajiv says he will
Very good,
reply to your
Rajiv ji.
financial X-ray report. Very good. Gap 3.85 crore. Yes, Shanoy, sorry. Cross-selling, would like to know more about your family financial planning. Connect now or maybe click on this link. I'll be mentioning as my introduction as a financial planner in Max Life. Wow, fantastic. And with present uncertainties across the globe, I like to share to you a small exercise which I do with all my family and friends. Do you like to understand the same? And yes, and then, move ahead. Wow, fantastic, Salzina. Thank you.
Thank you, Salzina.
Thanks, Salzina, for typing in for us. Anybody else wants to, write in something else? Why I'm asking all of you is because when you people are more into the game than us. And, when you think from the customer angle, you think differently. Like I would have skipped the introduction part, probably when I would have been sharing, anything that I would like to say along with the chatbot link. So, okay, friends, you can find out your true net worth. Wow, fantastic. Find out your true, or find out your real value, or find out, what is it that, what is it that you find out, how much your family would require so that your family doesn't slip down on this, on the standard of living that you can currently enjoy. Wow, I'm doing a financial health checkup for all my customers, so I would be privileged to do it for you too. Kindly let me know if I can meet. Wow, fantastic. So, you can actually send in this tool to take an appointment and say that I'm doing a financial health checkup. This is brilliant. I'm having a thought that, case one, I'm having a thought that, you can even say that, these days I have announced a financial health camp. I'm doing a financial health camp. So would you like to be part of my financial health camp? And, and you can just create a buzz around that first and then share this link. Great, friends. So let's see, what this tool can more do for you. So I'm going to share. So I just quickly I will share one of the more DIY videos with you. Should I share it for retirement or child education? Type it into the chat. You have it, all three of them. We are going to post the fourth one, savings, also very soon on Embody. You have all three of them on Embody. But what I want all of you to do is, can you just let me know in the chat, will you want to discuss the retirement piece or the child education? I'm just going to go by maximum people saying one thing: retirement. Wow, okay.
Retirement.
Great. So
retirement. There is no other option.
Yeah. The retirement is the flavor. And, the learner who has requested for child education, I would request you to go into the, by the way, the chatbot link remains the same. Huh? The chatbot link doesn't change, but it's where you click changes. So let's do that. Let's see the video first. Can you hear the sound and can you see my video, Navroz? I believe not. Okay. Got it.
No, Priya, not yet.
Now
it has started. Yes,
sure,
now it has. Yes.
Thank you.
Let us begin by typing the URL in Google Chrome for Android users and Safari for Apple users. Millie Chatbot URL is https://bot.maxlifeinsurance.com/need analysis and press go. Welcome to Millie Chatbot. In the digital era, when everything from working to shopping is all digital, why not help our customers calculate their financial needs digitally? MLI Chatbot will help you to calculate the customer's financial needs digitally. Let's say goodbye to paper pen need analysis. Let's say you prioritized customer need as retirement. Click on income after retirement to know how much income will be required by the prospect or the customer to maintain the same lifestyle at his retirement. Click to proceed. Before Millie calculates the retirement income, Millie would like to know some basic information about the customer. Let's say customer's name, customer's mobile number, customer's age. Millie now wants to ask some simple 4 questions. The first question is, how much do you spend in a month? So for the sake of an example, I am typing here 40,000. Millie further wants to know the percentage of monthly spend that will continue after retirement. So I am typing here 80%. Considering the fact that at the retirement age, customer would have fulfilled the responsibility of child education and home loan EMI, however, we must keep in mind the rise in medical expenses in old age. Further, Millie wants to know the amount already saved so far towards retirement. So for the sake of an example, I am typing here 5 lakhs. Further, Millie wants to know the age you are planning to retire. So let's say 60 years. Further, Millie would like to know the risk preference on investing money. So I choose here medium. Millie now wants to know annual income of the customer. For the sake of an example, I am typing here 10 lakhs. Wow, Millie has personalized financial summary based on the questions you answered here. So, we will need to save rupees 21,523 for the next 25 years, assuming at inflation rate 4% and rate of return 6%. Now type your email ID to get a copy of personalized financial summary. To send another copy of the same, type in the agent's email ID. Great! So what are you waiting for? Use this digital calculator to help your customers calculate their financial needs. Thank you.
So friends, this was about retirement. Now I'm going to give you another activity to do the retirement. Just give me a second. So you have to use the same chatbot link. And this is the case scenario. And what we want is that, you actually again practice, putting all these figures and experience the chatbot link on retirement yourself. Yes, Yasmin, all of this is available in share and sell folder in MBuddy. That's a good question. Why don't you play with it and let us know? I haven't tried for GLIP. Why don't you play with it right now and let us know if you can fulfill for GLIP or not? Let me also do that. So I'm giving you, 3-4 minutes, 3 minutes precisely for you to complete this case activity. Well, it doesn't help you for GLIP for sure. But that's a good idea. We could do one more calculator for GLIP. Yes, Navroz, GLIP can be sold to persons already retired. But
Yes.
what question they were asking was that, can this chatbot link be used, for retirement, for GLIP retirement, wherein the people have already retired and it calculates that how much
No,
some amount. Yeah, how much of the lump sum?
no, Priya, we'll have to do that.
Right.
No,
So-
Priya, we'll have to design that.
Right. Siba says can be used. Siba, it can be used, but I mean, it'll not give you a lump sum. How much lump sum, per se, the person requires to invest right now. It would require some sort of tweakings. You can use it, but I don't know how effective it would be. As it gives you a monthly amount. So, and it's not giving you a lump sum amount. Okay, so should we proceed further? I believe everybody would have completed by now. Let's move ahead.
Before you move ahead, Priya,
Sure.
let me once again tell the agent advisors. Let me once again tell all the agent advisors, team, this is a little tricky. Sometimes technology can get to you. Okay, if you have any difficulty, please get in touch with your LPC in your region. They will surely guide you and they will surely help you to take it forward. Yes, Priya, you may go ahead.
Right. Thanks, Navroz. Navroz, this is 1 second. Yeah. So, this is what we wanted to share with you, and let me just quickly take you through the product combinations that you can give along with protection. For protection, though you already know that. For protection, there are 7 death benefit options under Smart Term Plan to choose from. Life cover plus increasing income, income plus inflation protector, reducing cover, life cover plus income protector, and increasing cover. These are some smart, death benefit options that you can choose from for your clients. You want to know more about the product, you can again log into Embuddy, and on Embuddy you have a Smart Term certification. Go slowly on that, practice it. You will learn about each and every death benefit in a very engaging manner. In the tools and resources folder, you also have the ready reckoners for SMTP, and you also have some of the the conversation starter, the videos that you can share it with your customers. There's a lot of material available for you to learn about the product. However, the activity it's something which nobody can does it on your behalf, and activity is what you need to start with. And I would suggest, why don't you announce a smart campaign for your customer, like I am these days organizing a financial health checkup. Would be interested, will you be interested? Let's block time for 15 minutes, and nobody would mind mind giving 10-15 minutes, where you can quickly share the chatbot link with the customer, and maybe share a KFD video with the customer, and that's about it on protection. And and then head towards a close. So it can be a sharp 15 to 20 minutes conversation digitally. And wherein through the chatbot you calculate the protection need, how much the customer would require. Through the through the smart term product video, you introduce the product video, and or maybe share a particular video from there. And all you have to do is now give the plan, take them to Mpro, and it can be a very, very sharp call. Yeah. So moving ahead, for calculating to fulfill your child's education dream, you have SAP, which is the favorite amongst the the savings advantage plan, which is favorite amongst the established class specifically. It offers you guaranteed addition to boost your benefits. It has a superior maturity benefit, set up a death benefit for into the product, flexibility to choose the premium payment and the policy term. It is a very big flexibility, convenience of settlement and commutation. When we say that, it means that one can decide at the time of maturity whether one would like to take out lump sum, or one would like to take out every year payments, and much more. So you can actually log on to mBuddy and complete your SAP certification also, and learn about the product more, learn about and share more information with your customer. Similarly, for SWP variant also, it's a lump sum variant or a short-term income variant. Both are suitable for child's education. You want to know more about the product, the answer is there in the in the share and sell folder right now, because right now the product, we are developing the content again for SWP because it had gone through a rate revision, and we will be soon back with the certification. Right now the certification is disabled on mBuddy. Retirement, of course, many of you said MIAP, the superstar MIAP, I should say. Monthly income advantage plan, guaranteed monthly income, lump sum maturity benefit, policy continuance benefit, comprehensive protection through riders, and much more. You have to go to mBuddy to do the certification. And, of course, you can do an SWP variant, long-term variant for retirement, and of course, GLIP. But the chatbot link will not help you to give GLIP for the people who have already retired. This is absolutely for those people who have not retired, and and you need to advise them to actually plan for their retirement. Another interesting video, let me see if we have uploaded it already on mBuddy. I would like to share that video with all of you, which is about helping the customer. It's a customer facing video, and we have done that so that you proactively tell the customers that they need to plan for their retirement. Let me just see that. Navroz, if you can chat up with everyone till then, I will just take a minute.
Yes, Priya. Brochure for SWP in Hindi, yes, it is available. You can download it. We will get it for you. Please speak to your local LPC. Again, I keep telling you, please speak to your LPC, Mr. DKG. Please speak to your local LPC.
You can get all of this. You don't, honestly, Navroz, I really want to tell them that,
Yeah, but what they need to do is at least learn it once with the LPC.
Right, absolutely.
They need to with the LPC first once or twice, and then they can take it individually.
Absolutely.
That is most important. Instead of just keep struggling and not know where it is, they can at least do that.
Sure.
Yeah, because all these tools during my LPC days, I remember, and I have lots of advisors who are here on this chat over here who will remember that the first time I used to take them through it, and then they used to be always independent.
So friends, I'm sorry we have not uploaded as of now that video. I'm going to, get that video uploaded. So you watch out, the interesting video on, proactive planning for salary class for retirement. And in the retirement, share and sell segment, and by the evening, you will have that video. We have interesting videos as it is in Embody, which you can share it with your customer, which talks about how they should plan their financial freedom well in advance. So this is, this is all from our side today for the financial need analysis. Please do the financial need analysis to give the right sum assured to the customer, whether it's about protection, child education, retirement, or savings. Fact finder is the key. So this is all from my my end. Any questions you can post in the chat. Sanjay Dasdi, I'm working with the team to get the questions open up with all of you. Open up for all of you. Actually, there are 5 attempts. There are 5 attempts which are allowed for all of you to do questions on Embody. If you don't do it the right in 5 attempts, then then honestly the person cannot do it. So I have requested the team to to share the to open up the module. So you'll have to do the module again to do that questionnaire. So by the evening, I think that will also get sorted. Yes, Salzina, you're very right. Embody is the complete need. Salzina, would you, as people are logging it off, would you, okay, so maybe next time we'll call you, Salzina, to talk about Embody a little, how you have been leveraging Embody.
Most important, what we need to understand is we have Embody. Don't fear what technology. I always keep telling all my agent advisors that one very simple thing. Don't fear technology. Try, go ahead. Do the worst thing that can happen. You will have to start all over again. Just keep doing that and you will learn so many things. So many things. It's so wonderful. Go to the customer service point in the link that I have sent you. Go to the real value tool that I have sent you. Go to this link, the link that we shared. I'm again going to share it over here with you all. Okay. I'm again sharing it with you all. It has need analysis, it has real value tool, and it has customer service. Go and see what are the facilities and what are the options it gives to a customer on each of these links. I'm continuously sharing it. If you can just copy it down, most of y'all, please use it to the maximum that you can take it to. There's a lot of learning in it. Okay, so Ramesh Babuji, there is a separate link for Embody in laptop. So I will share that also, if you can give me a minute.
Case 1, I completely agree with you. We should call it PCRS, CPRS. It's just for convenience. We are calling it CPRS so that people remember it. It's more rhythmic. That's about it. But yes, you're very, very right. It is PCRS. Thank you so much, everyone. And, we really wish that we keep bringing you very, very informative sessions. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.